Y'all, we going to the fair. We gonna take the DART trains to the fair. So we parking the car at the DART station, and yeah, we taking the cheap route because that parking is ridiculous at the fair. All right, let's go to the Texas State Fair. I got my husband with me, and y'all know David. That's my grandbaby. We going to the fair and have some fun. Let's go, y'all. Y'all, we on the train. We get ready to go to the fair. This is my grandbaby's first time on the DART train. He's excited. Are you excited to go to the fair?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna have so much fun. Yeah. Y'all, my baby is at it again. He stay busy.
1, 2, 3, jump.
And Papa ain't making it no better.
Go.
We at a transfer station right now, so we have to wait like 15 more minutes before the next train comes through for us to connect to the next to our next destination. So we waiting 15 minutes. But this is definitely the cheaper way and more convenient way to get to the fair because there's way too much traffic going on down there. But we're about to have some serious fun. My baby has never been to the fair, so this is his first time, and I'm hoping that he has a really good time. I hope so. We shall see.
And we're going here.
Here?
Yeah. It's not going to take long when the train... No, we're not going... Yeah, it's green. Yeah, green.
Y'all, our train finally came. It seemed like it took forever. It was a little hot out there, but they did have a little wind out there, so that was pretty good. Anyway, we are still on our way to the fair. Y'all, we made it. Whew, that was a long journey. I thought my baby was gonna fall asleep. He had his head leaned over like it was over for him, and we're just not getting started. We're waiting on the train to move so we can actually see. Be careful.
Be careful.
We are at the entrance,
Get down there.
and this is why
Yeah.
we take the DART, so we can come right to the entrance. That's the easy way. You don't have to do all that driving and try to find the entrance. Here it is. And then when we get ready to go back, we just find the same spot, get on there, and go right back the same way we came from. Easy peasy. All right, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all inside.
Monster.
We made it, y'all. Y'all, let me tell you, when we went through the security, everybody's saying, if it don't beep, don't stop. I'm loving it. Just keep on moving, keep on moving. So that means that their security system is pretty darn good. If you don't beep, don't stop. Keep it moving. Y'all, guess this is Little Tex, huh? Little Big Tex, okay.
David, wait, they taking a picture. Here, come on. Me and you, we're going to do it. You ready?
My baby is anxious, y'all.
Babe, you got to do it.
Okay. Y'all, in the entrance, the first thing you do is go to the car show. So let's go. Oh, you can come on through. Come on. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I appreciate you.
You mean Nico's? State Fair, and they're showing us what the Jeeps can do.
one of these days we're gonna have one of these. We can't get it right now, but yeah, we need one of these just to bop around the neighborhood. Oh, that's nice. Nice and roomy. Look who being silly, y'all. He swear he can drive. Y'all, it wasn't nothing special in there. I see those same cars all day while I'm delivering. Was nothing special. Nothing that's like, oh, I got to have that. No, not today. Y'all, we just bought some tickets from the ticket booth. Each ticket is $1. So I'm really ready to see what the prices are for this food and everything, for all the rides and everything. So
they clapping for you. You did it.
So we got 60 tickets. Let's see where that takes us. We're probably going to re-up, but we're going to start out with 60. Y'all see the soda?
You hold it. Don't drink some down before you spill.
My grandbaby needed this soda, okay? $8 for a regular size soda. $8.
Now this is easy.
These corn dogs are good over here. Yeah, I just bought this $8 corn dog for my baby. He almost took a bite. And then he said, I don't want that. $8, y'all. I don't get it. We're going to see what else he don't want.
I saw.
Y'all, I thought I was going to get not a corn dog. I thought I was going to get a turkey leg. One turkey leg, $24.
Don't you see she recording?
I don't think we're going to get a corn dog. I'm not a corn dog. I keep saying corn dog because I ain't over that corn dog $8 and my baby don't want it. But that turkey leg, we're going to see if we can do better. We might not be getting that today. We'll see. Y'all, we done found something else. This is Texas. Don't forget. Think he gonna get booked off? Oh. These two clowns right here, I'm just sick of it. I'm sick of it. Oh. How about talking about help? Y'all, this thing was standing so still. I thought it was fake. He real. All right now. He like getting his picture taken. All right. Pose for the camera. I tell y'all what. A lot of walking going on out here. I ain't even barely got in here. And I'm already tired. My hip. Y'all know I have to babysit that hip. Y'all, I'm happy to see this right here. What that grandbaby got. That corn dog, that $8 corn dog. He eating it, y'all. Yes, I'm happy. It's not going to waste. Y'all, look at these two characters. They had to. He had to get up there and pop out. He swear everything's supposed to go fast. Y'all see that thing up there spinning? Let's see. I needed this shade right here, y'all. It's hot, I'm tired. I ain't even got to the real stuff yet. I ain't got too old for this. This grandbaby had me everywhere. And I haven't seen Big Tex yet. When I see him, y'all gonna see him, all right? Let's look for him. Yeah, my grandbaby's scared of everything. And look, he finna go into this haunted house thing. He swear that's where he wanna go. I don't know. Once you in there, you can't get out till the ride is over. Have fun, baby! Papa taking one for the team. It's a good spot, y'all. They had a bunch of stuff. Look at this thing here. Lord have mercy. And it's gonna want you to go all the way, loop all the way over. No, thank you. There them swings are again. Y'all, he made it. He made it out. It was scary?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, baby. Oh my goodness, that was too scary. Papa, was you scared?
Yeah.
He was so scared, y'all.
I'm crying.
And he's crying.
Okay, I ain't crying, but I'm sweating.
Yeah, I see her hanging there. Yeah.
Enjoy your journey inside with all my special friends.
What? He's so friendly. That's just too friendly.
Stop.
Always into something. Y'all like this ride? I don't know. That's too many loop-de-loops and circles for me. I'm good.
That's scary.
Y'all, I'm just amazed with this thing. I don't know.
You guys ready? The temper person as far as T-racers and somebody else racing.
Good grief. Okay, it's not going that fast. That's all right. But it's still climbing.
Two, if you got other people, I'll let off.
Yeah, but this could be the fair. The bathroom is pretty clean. I can't believe it. Let me show y'all all this food looks so good on this thing. Yes. Wait. It looks so good. But some prices are just, they're doing too much. Hold on, let me try this. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta climb up all them stairs first and then slide down. Lord have mercy. I'd be too tired. Right now, baby. I haven't.
2, 3, 4, 5.
You know, you excited?
Yes.
What you gonna ride? The slide?
A fly.
I know, the slide. Hold on, let Papa give you your tickets.
Oh, I gotta give him the ticket.
Yeah, Papa got all the money.
I do?
Yeah, my baby finna ride this one by himself. He a big boy. The slide by himself. All right.
You going up?
Y'all look at my baby. He going out by himself.
Exit to the left. Please exit to the left. Exit to the left. Exit to the left. Thank you for hitting. Please exit to the left. Exit to the left. Exit to the left.
Y'all look. My baby done got all the way up there to the top by himself. He's such a big boy. He is such a big boy. All right.
Thank you for hitting. Please exit to the left. Exit to the
Let's
left.
see.
Exit to the left. Thank you for hitting. Please exit to the left. Exit to the left. Exit to the left. Thank you for hitting. Please
Yeah. What is this thing doing?
exit to the left. Thank you for hitting. Please exit to the left. Exit to the left.
You did it.
Exit to the left. Thank you for hitting. Please exit to the left.
I missed it.
Please exit to the
Let me show you. You're not tall enough.
Y'all, I think he's gonna get on this little roller coaster thing. 7 coupons, $7 per ride. All right. You gonna ride it out by yourself like a big boy? Yeah. All right. Y'all, I missed the last ride. Let me see if I can. I don't even know if I can see him. David! David! Y'all, that's my big boy. He is on there all by himself. He's such a big boy. He's not scared at all. I'm so shocked. I'm shook. Let me see if I can find him up here.
Oh, we're going to run again.
Yeah. Y'all, he holding on tight. He ain't letting go. Y'all, my baby's driving by himself. Ah, he having a ball. Go, let the boy go. Turn it the other way. Turn the other way. Go the other way.
Go the other way. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Turn.
Turn, turn.
Turn. Go.
Y'all, it won't move. There you go, there you go. Yeah, turn the other way.
Racing to the checkout.
Go, 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 go. Go.
All right. Y'all, try my best to get my baby's picture of him riding that go-kart or whatever you call that thing, bumper car.
Racing to the
I didn't even get a chance to get a picture. I hope y'all seen him in there.
Wait.
I was trying.
Wait.
Y'all, my big boy is at it again, all by himself.
Oh, shooting fast, you said? All right, let's get it going. Hold on tight now.
There he is. Oh, I lost him, y'all. There he is. Y'all, he ran out there so fast I couldn't even keep up with him. Was that fun?
Yes.
That was awesome, huh, baby? More rides, y'all. We're going to get more tickets. I'm down to 5 tickets. We started out with 60. We're down to 5. Y'all, we missing my baby on the airplane. Y'all see him? Y'all see him? There he go. There he go. Y'all, my big boy on another ride. He is on another ride. Okay, y'all, I think this is the one that my boy gonna get on next. It looks real busy. I don't know. We're gonna see.
Enjoy the monkey maze. Remember, there's no running.
Yeah, my baby chose this I'm gonna say attraction because it's not a ride. It only has a slide. That's the only part of it that's a ride, I believe. But it's got these glass, a lot of glass in it. I'm gonna let y'all see. I can't show y'all him because he out in there. So if you read it, then you'll find out what the name of it is. Monkey Maze. My boy went in the monkey maze. I'm gonna sit over here on this bench and wait for him to come out on time. Yeah, that was a fast little attraction. He is already out and full of energy. Trying to find something else to get into. These little puppies. Okay, we're gonna see. Yeah, we hit the jackpot. All the little kids rides and everything right here in this one spot. Yeah, this is the best spot right here. Yeah, we at this coupon booth again. We got 60 more tickets. That's 120. All right. But we're looking for a sword. I don't know where we're gonna find it, but that's the main thing that he's asking for now, a sword. Let's find out what that's gonna cost us. I don't know. Anyway, let's go find it. We found the giant Texas Ferris wheel. Ooh, I love that this thing has this awning on it, blocking whatever little sun we got. Nice. Nice. Y'all, it's gonna be dark in a minute. My baby still ain't ready to go. We was trying to go home before dark because I think the train started running at like 12. So, we're gonna see.
We have to keep looking.
We're still looking for that sword, y'all. He saw somebody with one, so we're going that way. Y'all, look at this nut. Oh. And his partner in crime. We gotta take a picture. Got it. Alright, y'all. On to the next one. Yeah, we made it to this food court and it's so much food in here, it's crazy. I wanted a chef salad and I still might get it. But why is it $20 for a chef salad? Because we at the fair. It's okay. Everything looks so good. I mean, all the pictures look good. So we're gonna see if we get that chef salad or if we find something just a little bit cheaper. That'd be nice. But I'm getting a little hungry. We're still looking, y'all. It's too many choices. That's what the problem is. Way too many choices. And everything just about costs 10, 15, 20. Yeah. I don't care what you get, it's gonna be that. Hopefully the taste measured up to the prices. Y'all, look at my husband, guys.
Refills for 10 at any of our locations.
Okay, appreciate it.
Nice. And it's $17. Y'all, they got deviled eggs over here. I'm telling you, these pictures will make you want to buy everything in here. My money ain't that long. Ooh, fruit. That's nice. Yeah, we we made that circle so fast. I didn't realize that we had went around so fast. Anyway, we back at the spot. But it's chef salad, so we gonna do $20 chef salad. It better be good. I hope it's good. It looks good. Y'all, we got our $20 salad. Here it is. It don't feel like it's $20, but we got it. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute when I get ready. Okay, y'all. We got this salad, and that's a little bit dressing, but they did give me 2, so that was good. I don't need a lot of dressing on my salad anyway. But let's open this up. See what this hidden fault. There it is. Yeah, it look nice. $20? No. It look alright. Let's see what it tastes like. How we made it.
That's what I got left.
That pour. Oh. Okay. I haven't eaten anything all day, y'all, since this morning. And it's, what time is it, babe? 7?
You have pizza?
It is 17. That's why. A little salt and pepper would be nice on here. Yeah, my baby don't want to do nothing but ride. Ride, play games, just eat. And make noise.
Be careful.
He don't want to eat nothing. He had a half a bowl of noodles this morning. That's it. Let's see what this salad tastes like. Y'all, it's almost hollow. Oh my goodness. What is that? Okay. Wilted lettuce. Very wilted. Okay. It ain't like I ain't never ate wilted lettuce before though, y'all. I ain't complaining. I'm at the fair. A whole bunch of lettuce. It's all good. We'll mix it up a little bit later. Pretty good, y'all. I got balsamic vinaigrette, which is like my favorite vinaigrette in the whole world. Yeah. Just a little bit of this. It goes ham. Oh, and that's turkey. Yeah, I'm looking at it now. I hope y'all can hear me. Because it's very noisy in here. Listen. Not to eat anything that's gonna make me feel bad. I've been trying to do low carb. But you're not gonna find much stuff here that's low carb. Everything is deep fried. are better than something. But I got lucky, found a salad. That don't mean I won't pinch off a little piece of cotton candy or something. But my baby ain't into that. So, we'll see what else we get into. Anyway, I'm gonna finish the salad, or get real close to finishing it, and we'll see what else we're gonna get into before we have to leave. And it's almost dark. Yeah, I've been trying to find Big Tex ever since we got out here, and all I could find was this. There's Boots. Where he at? Yeah, I don't understand. We're going to find Big Tex. Y'all, we found Big Tex. We're behind him right now, but we're about to go in front of him in just a minute so y'all can see. Yeah, we just walked into a fireworks show.
Just like the hey.
Oh, wait. It might be over, y'all. Good grief. How we gonna walk out and they only do a couple of shots? Oh, okay. There they go. There they go. Uh-huh. Oh, that ain't good. Yeah, here go Big Tex. Right here. That's a big boy right there. Look at my baby. He swear. He's so tall. Not. Good grief. Alright, Tex, I see you with your new boots on. He stay dressed up, y'all. Okay, y'all, it's a dark now. There's a whole different vibe out here now. Let me let y'all see some stuff. Lit up back there. Nice. All the games. Yeah, we still riding stuff. Let me see. I think they're getting these puppies. Okay, they in the blue one, y'all. They in the blue one and it's just spinning. Uh-oh, they spinning. Every time it comes through here, y'all, it's to the back. Good grief. Y'all, here he comes. That baby still got too much energy. How can he still have that much energy? I don't know. I'm sleepy. Y'all are. Now let's go find another ride. I think we got another like 2 more rides and then we going home. Y'all, my baby back on these bumper cars. He like that. He living dangerous. My baby living on the edge, y'all. He love the bumper cars. Watch.
Hey there, driver. Step down on the pedal and keep turning the wheel in the direction you want to go. Hey there, driver. Step down on the pedal and keep turning the wheel in the direction you want to go. Uh-oh, that driver's headed to the garage. Manually lift your lap.
Y'all tired. That was a 10. My boy was doing it yesterday. Y'all saw him? Okay, so my boy wants to get back on this same thing. He did this event earlier today when it was daylight. Now he has to do it again. And there's more children out here now, so yeah. He had so much fun the first time, he had to do it again. Y'all can't see him. He crawling around like a little monkey. He enjoying himself, so that's the only thing that matters. He's getting ready to come down, y'all. There he goes. All right. Y'all, my baby is down to his last ride now, and he chose this one. Baby swings. We're gonna see if we can see him.
It'll be too late then.
Y'all, we have liftoff. Y'all, he holding on to dear life. Whoa. Oh, he's scared. He's scared. That's all right. That's all right. Yay, big boy. All right. Woo. Y'all, he holding on like he gonna fall.
She keep encouraging him. I'm glad to see that.
Yeah. All right. Woo. Oh. He's smiling now, y'all. Hey, baby.
Whoa! Yeah, he in the groove now.
Right, right. All right. Woohoo! Did y'all see that big boy ride that swing? Ha, baby. Yeah. That's what my boy do. With all this energy, Lord have mercy. Yo, I didn't even know Brian McKnight was gonna be here tonight. Behind this wall, he is really over there. Okay, y'all, we had a time, and I am exhausted. Whew. I don't know what else to say other than I'm tired. It's time to go home, so we're about to go over here, wait for this train to come through so we can get on it and head on back to the house. Thank you guys for watching again, and I really appreciate you. You have a good night. Bye.